Hola, this is Cassidy, one half of Dan and Cass Marketers, and I'm here from My Nutritarianism, and I want to talk to you today about phytochemicals. So, in the quest for my nutritarianism, my quest on whole food and healthiness, I've come in contact with the term phytochemicals. And I was like, what in the world is that? Because everywhere that I read, I'm reading and I'm learning that phytochemicals in your foods and eating foods with important phytochemicals is extremely important to combating cancers, getting rid of those disease-causing properties that we have in our bodies. And so I wanted to just kind of tell you what phytochemicals are all about. Phytochemicals are non-nutritive plant chemicals that protect and fight against diseases, and they're non-essential. So that means that your body doesn't really need them to self-sustain, but I'm here to tell you that they're important. I personally believe that they are important to sustaining your health, because you will find that we learn about superfoods, and every day on the news you hear what types of things you should be putting in your body: chocolate, dark chocolate, wine, strawberries, all these things that fight cancer, right? And you don't really know why you're eating them. You're just seeing it on the news that it's good for you, so you eat it. And I mean, how many of us are guilty of the latest craze of health, going out and doing that, and we don't really know why we're doing that? So I'm going to talk to you a little bit about phytochemicals, what they do, what foods you will find important phytochemicals in. So I'm going to share them with you. So there are a lot of different ways that they work, but there's a few main ways that they work. Number one is antioxidants. So phytos with antioxidants have sulfides like onions and leeks and garlic, carotenoids like fruit and carrots, flavonoids, fruit and veggies, and polyphenols like teas and grapes. These are great antioxidants for your body. So that's why wine is one glass of red wine is really great for you to have at night, because it's made out of grapes. It has those polyphenols that they say combat cancer. Number two is hormonal action. So isoflavones, which are found in soy, they initiate hormone, what is that? Sorry. I wrote all of these down because I knew I was going to forget some of them. But isoflavones found in soy initiate hormone estrogen and help reduce menopausal symptoms and osteoporosis. So then the third is the stimulation of enzymes. Indoles found in cabbages stimulate enzymes that make estrogen less effective and reduce breast cancer. Interference with DNA replication. It's number four. That's really important because we know that in cancer is what? Abnormal cells. And cells are made of what? DNA. DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, is within every powerhouse of the cell, the nucleus. And so what happens with cancer is your DNA replicates rapidly, and all of a sudden you have these cancer cells. So phytochemicals are very, very important because they interfere with DNA replication. They stop that cancer cell from replicating rapidly, and we know that in most cancers, rapid replication of DNA is the killer. So also antibacterial effects, phytochemicals. Allicin from garlic has antibacterial properties. Physical action. Some phytos bind physically to the cells within the cell walls, preventing the adhesion of pathogens to human cell walls. So these are some really, really important things, and these are why, you know, phytochemicals are huge. You know, like it said, carrots, cabbages, onions, garlic, mushrooms, berries, grapes, cranberry. All of these things are things that you should be incorporating in your diet. And I suggest that if you don't like garlic, you don't like cranberry, you don't want to physically eat them, then take a supplement. Take the supplement to get those phytochemicals within your bodies. But pre-warning, one thing that's very, 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 very important for me to tell you about taking supplements is that it is very important that you take the best supplements out there. So things that are certified organic, things that are raw, things that are going to be whole food, plant-based supplements. And you want to do that because most things that you buy in the general store that you don't find at a health food or a supplement store, they've got a lot of chemicals in them. And chemicals render those phytochemicals pretty much useless. So you're really not doing yourself a service by saving yourself a few dollars to buy something that really is useless. And I know that everyone's on a budget, but it is going to serve you in the long run to spend the money on the quality ingredients if you're going to take supplements. So that's all I've got for you lovelies today. If you're not plugged into My Nutritarianism, then click the link below, connect with me on Facebook, and we will get you plugged into the group, get you access to all these awesome videos and more information. So that's all I've got for you lovelies. Peace out.